wag na wag nyo sasaktan yan. Kasi papatayin namin kayong lahat. Uubusin namin kayo. Yan ang threat sa presidente. Putanginan nyo lahat. Subukin nyo kami ngayon. Gago kayo. Tanginan ninyo. The only reason kaya kayo nandyan is because yung taong bayan tanga. Hindi kumikilos. Hindi the people of the Philippines cannot get their acts together. The people of the Philippines do not know their power. All power emanates from the Filipino people. All power. Tanginan nyo. All authority comes from the Filipino people. Tapos ganyan kayo? Armed Forces. Armed Forces. Sorry pero alam nyo, dapat noon pa. AFP, Browner, General Browner, Omet, at PNP, General Marbil. Last call na to, last call. No? At sa mga opisyal at mga tauhan